Mouse scanning processing steps manual editing. Click New. The plate setting dialog box pops up. Set sheet size, namely plate length, plate width, plate thickness. Click OK after setting. Modify the sheet size description. After double-clicking the plate size with the left mouse button, the board setting box will pop up to change the size. Edit processing item. Take editing vertical holes as an example. Method 1. Click the vertical hole. Set vertical hole position parameters. Click OK. Method 2. Right-click on the Edit interface. Select Add vertical hole. Click the left mouse button on the plate to determine the vertical hole position. After confirming the position, click the left mouse button again to pop up the hole position editing data. Enter specific values. Then click OK. Click NC to load. You can see the NC file just saved at the position where the mouse is pointing. Indicates that the program has been loaded. Platter processing. Click to start or step on the pedal. The positioning rod is knocked down to pull the board. Then click to start or step on the pedal to process.